Hello and welcome to another gektek Quickie. Going to be playing a little bit of Rift PvP today and discussing the bot. You betcha. The DigiRaver bot has progressed to the point where it is stable enough that I can safely leave it alone and let it do its thing and trust that things will more or less go how they're supposed to go. So I'm pretty excited about that. Basically, the Season 1 that was started at the beginning of the month is going to be coming to an end here soon. So those who have been taking part in that, now is your last chance to get in and get those last-minute beasts defeated. It doesn't look like too many people were into the PvP portion of things, but then again, I wasn't streaming a whole lot during this last month, so I have a feeling that had something to do with it. So I'm not really going to do much with the PvP portion of things anytime in the immediate future, but I would like to polish up a few other aspects of the game and maybe add another feature or two for when Season 2 starts. So if anybody has any input, this is so not my PvP character. What am I doing? Not paying attention at all. Anyway, that was Wakovia's butt. That's actually my quote-unquote main at the moment, but we're here for PvP, not PvE. There we go. That's more like it. Let's try this again. Wasn't that exciting? Anyway, so the bot, it works. I've discovered a few unfortunate... I don't know why that popped up now and not last time, but anyway. A few unfortunate things about the way that the... Twitch IRC server works. Wow, stuck on a wheelbarrow. Okay. Not a whole lot I can do about things. Blah, blah, blah. Boring story. We don't need story. This is PvP. We just need to get to level 10, I think. And we're level 6 right now, so we still got a little ways to go. But anywho... Oh, wait, I'm a warrior, aren't I? Am I a warrior? Is that what I did this time? Like, I'm a healing warrior, right? Yeah. So I actually do want the plate. I think. What is... Huh. Hang on. Quick interlude here. Stats. Strength, yeah. And attack power, yeah. Okay. That's probably the only plate. So plate it is. Oh, I leveled it. I dingy-wingied. I love it when I dingy-wingy. Two-handed. Should probably switch to that. Hello, kitten cat. Alright, we're good. Oh, wait. Didn't I have... Nope, I did. I used it. We're good! Okay. Core remnants. Gotcha. Will do, Captain.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Spend them soul points. Didn't get anything. That's a bummer. Okay, so... the bot in its current form is not going to be... what am I trying to say? The main aspect of the bot that I really wanted to take advantage of was having interaction when a channel raids another channel. And we can still do that, but anytime the channel, either channel, happens to be somewhat large, there is a very good possibility of complications. And I can't advertise a product that has quote-unquote complications, because, well, no one wants a product that has complications. So, what needs to happen instead is I need to basically either recreate the bot as a... Oh, that is ranged. Nice. Good to know. So I can just stand here and go kapow. Sweet! And again! Oh, I like it. Learning warriors. A warrior is a ranged class. Who knew? Weird. Okay, so I need to rework the bot as either a web application to where you have to connect to a website to, you get stats and you'll get more info and all that kind of stuff, save your account, do things with it, spend stuff. You'll be able to log in with your Twitch account, all that kind of stuff, so that's pretty cool. But it'll be on a website. The other option is to create an actual executable, which could also translate to a website. How many more of these do I need? Oh, I needed different stuff. Oops. But a website could be cool. It's it's probably the easier approach and would make sense to maybe do that first. And then try the next idea, which is creating an executable, which can be run Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever. And then we can do our own fun things with it. A lot more fun. But I don't really want to drop names, but I am kind of comparing to other bots. Like OnkBot is a bot that you would run locally, and it connects. And OnkBot is nice because it allows you to connect 2 accounts at the same time, which allows you to do the auto host feature. Because the only way to do an auto host feature that I've found so far is to actually log in with your own account, which is what OnkBot does. So there's that option. There's a few different options. The point being, the system I'm using now is I purchased a copy of a program called MIRC, which is an amazing IRC program. I've used it pretty much my whole internet lifespan. And I had always not used a purchased copy. I'd do like the trial period and then go do something else and get it again and blah blah blah. So I finally bought it, and I'm glad I did because it has been an amazing learning experience. I've learned a lot about talking with Twitch and the servers, with the API and this, that, and the other thing. But I think it's time to possibly move on to something a little bit bigger, a little bit more stable, something that can really handle the load that I would like to place on it.
Some quests do not require returning to the quest giver.
Well, that's good. So that is another project that I will be working on. I'm not giving up on the bot as it is. It will still continue to run. It will slowly be migrated over to the new system whenever that happens. It's not going to happen overnight. I haven't even started on the quote-unquote new system yet. So that's just the discussion at hand today is the bot, and that's what's happening with it. Did I get everything? Bring the shadow. Oh, okay, I did. Why do I have 2 horses? Oh, that's right. This one. Oh! Who am I talking to? You.
Great son. An
Good,
ascendant.
good, good. Yes, I am. Use planar... What? I gotta go back in here again? Kapachow! Kapachow! So the next main focus for the bot that I'd like to do, other than like I had already mentioned, cleaning up the game portion of things a little bit, I'd like to expand on the being useful in other channels aspect. And unfortunately, that was the part that I'm already done. That was the part that I found out that I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's MIRC that can't quite handle keeping up with the Twitch server. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure, but there are issues that I think I can take care of by moving the program to a dedicated website and or creating an exe that then, does things on everybody else's machines instead of my own. So,
Journey well.
Hello. Best of luck.
and it's not the issue itself exactly is that I discovered when I ran 2 commands, one right after the other, that had the bot joining channels, it would confuse the variables for things that were happening on a join event. And this is kind of some technical mumbo jumbo here, but close a rift, blah blah blah.
I'm sure you can handle it.
All right, and this is actually the end of this video, so I'm not going to go any farther. I'm just sort of going to go here, go like that. Nope, I wanted to go, come on, that way. So that way, there we go, and do a little slash dance. There we go with the rift in the background. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, if I had it join 2 channels, one right after the other, immediately in code, it would join the channels simultaneously and confuse the variables on commands for when you join a channel. So whichever channel it joined first, it would repeat those same values for like follower count and stuff like that for the second channel that it joined instead of the info from that second channel. Obviously, that's not how things should work. The code works perfectly fine if I put any amount of pause in between the 2 commands, but that's just annoying and it not how things are supposed to work. So I need to find other methods of doing things. But in the meantime, this was a very short session. We are at level 7, so we have 3 levels to go until we can finally do some PvP action. So I'll see you next time. Bye.